Hey there, friend. You remember how we always used to back up our essays in Word documents? Well, I had a pretty cool experience today that's sort of like discovering a super efficient way to organize our backups, but for writing code. And the best part, it's all tied to the Microsoft ecosystem using a tool called Git. So, sit tight, grab a cup of coffee, and let me walk you through my adventure. Okay, so Git, as you might or might not know, is this amazing version control system that's a lifesaver for developers, right? It lets us keep track of our changes, and I figured why not give it a closer look. That's when I hit the master branch of a project I've been curious about and started poking around. The first thing I'll tell you is I felt like a kid in a candy store, seeing all these files and changes. Now, for those of you who might be scratching your heads from here, version control is this nifty way of keeping track of changes in files, like a digital time machine in the code world. It's pretty much essential, especially in larger teams, you know. Diving into Git, I found out that it's not just about tracking changes, it's also about keeping everything organized, and boy, is it a behemoth. It helps teams like ours to collaborate without stepping on each other's toes and manage complex projects with different dependencies. Imagine working on a shared playlist of songs, except here, the songs are code, and syncing the playlist could mean a lot of chaos. Git, in this Microsoft ecosystem, keeps the harmony with aplomb. The fun part for me was seeing how tightly interwoven Git is with other Microsoft products. Like, you can check your Git out to GitHub or Bitbucket from Visual Studio or the command prompt straight out of here. It's as if the pieces of the ecosystem just click together, and it feels more like working with friends who have the right tools to make everything smoother. I learned about advanced branches, like feature, develop, and main. Picture it.